You may have seen the character that resembles Ajit Doval in the movie Dhurandhar, but this story of India's James Bond cannot be missed. According to reports, in the 1980s, India needed solid proof of Pakistan's secret nuclear program. To uncover the truth from within Pakistan's most secure zones, India turned to Ajit Doval, already known as the Super Cop. Disguised in torn clothes, blending into dusty Islamabad streets, Doval became invisible. His breakthrough didn't come from gadgets or technology, but from a small barber shop frequented by scientists from Pakistan's Qatar research laboratories. As per reports, while no one paid attention to the strands of hair left behind, Doval quietly collected them. Those samples were sent to India. The results showed traces of uranium and radiation, confirming Pakistan's nuclear ambitions. That single intelligence operation went on to reshape India's national security strategy. Ajit Doval's career reads like a classified dossier. Born in Uttarakhand in 1945, he became the youngest police officer in India to receive the Kirti Chakra and today serves as the fifth and current national security advisor to the Prime Minister of India. No fiction, no exaggeration, just a life lived in the shadows for the nation.
दर्द है तो केवल इसी बात का। भारत के इतिहास में अगर दर्द केवल इस बात का नहीं है कि विदेशियों ने हमारे साथ क्या किया, उनका तो हम मुकाबला कर लेते। दुख इस बात का था कि हमारे सभी लोगों ने साथ नहीं निभाया और साथ नहीं दिया, और इसकी फीलिंग आज भी मुझे इस देश में होती है। और भारत को आंतरिक बाह्य शक्तियों से जो सबसे बड़ा खतरा है, वो खतरा इस बात का है कि हमारे अपने लोग ही कहीं राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा, राष्ट्र की अस्मिता, राष्ट्र के गौरव का सौदा न कर बैठे।